Kings, where racing is always at its best, and thereof. And the lead is taken by entry number 3, Katipunera by the rail. And as they leave the straight, it's Katipunera in the lead, followed by Music King, and between horses, Wind Turbulence on the outside in third. And heading for the backstretch, Katipunera, Wind Turbulence, and Music King running in third. And this San Diego is running in fourth. And Mark Disbird is bringing up the rear. And at the mid-back stretch, it is still Katipunera by a length and a half, followed by Wind Turbulence on the outside in second, and Music King running in third by 3.5 lengths. And moving up on the inside is entry number 2, the San Diego. Nearing the far turn, it is still Katipunera by a length and a half, followed by Wind Turbulence on the outside in second, and the San Diego is closing in third. Rounding the far turn, it is still Katipunera by 2.5 lengths, Wind Turbulence. And the last bend for home, it is still Katipunera in the lead, followed by D. San Diego on the outside in second, and Wind Turbulence drops back to third. And at the top of the stretch, it is still Katipunera in the lead, followed by D. San Diego on the outside. It's Katipunera by the rail, D. San Diego moving up on the outside. It's D. San Diego on the outside, and Katipunera by the rail. Katipunera by the rail, D. San Diego on the outside. And here in the payoff line, it is still Katipunera and D. San Diego on the outside. And finally, Katipunera, D. San Diego, Mark Disbird, Music King, Wind Turbulence.